Hello guys, it is the time for the trending market for the week, and of course we will be checking out all the assets together one after the other to know the direction of the markets before we go fully into the trading activities for the week. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this has been helping us to get our massive positive results on weekly basis, and of course I'm really happy about it. Okay, so we will be checking it out again in this video. Okay guys, if you are joining me for the first time, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets right now in this video, and of course I would like you guys to know that I will be using the higher time frame so that I can capture the trend for a whole week. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so if you are trading and most of you will be trading on the lower time frame, you should be able to combine between the lower, you should be able to combine the lower time frame with the higher time frame so that you will be able to trade, to have a successful trading opportunity right there without confusing yourself. Okay, so this is very important, because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a major reversal in price action on lower time frame. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay guys, I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. For those of you who are able to get this trading tool, congratulations to you guys, but because you guys will be using it to make a lot of money at the moment. For those of you who are not having the opportunity to have it, you can reach out to me later on, then we will see how you can get one. Okay, if you're not having this and you have the smart indicator, it is still cool. The smart indicator will still do the same thing. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so these have been on uptrend, a very strong uptrend for a very long time. I'm using H1 this time around, that is 1 hour time frame. Okay, and of course you guys can see it right here. Okay, so I will start with Boom 1000. This is Boom 1000. The previous chart was Boom 500. Okay, so I've just changed it to Boom 1000. So this is 1 hour time frame. I tried to use 1 hour time frame because it helps us to avoid the risk that's attached to a very big the high time frame, like daily time frame and the likes, because of those that are newbies right here. So with 1 hour time frame, they can still manage their way in between. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so as you can see, this had been on uptrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between. If you should notice, this had been moving within this channel. Okay, it had been moving within this channel up and down. Okay, so you can see it right there, and of course that is how amazing it is. Okay, so it has been like this up and down for a very long time, but it has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so this has actually got into the lower part of the channel again. If it's not breaking out from there, then it will go up and try to get to the upper part of the channel again. Okay, so this is very important. Wait for it. If it's not breaking out from here, then it will go up and touch the upper part again. So this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, except if it breaks out from there. Okay, so that is when it will go into a downtrend fully. Okay, so this is Boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend for a very long time. It got to this resistance and was unable to break out from there, so it is going back on downtrend at the moment. But here is a major support zone, a very good support zone, so you need to watch out for it. Once it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Of course it will sell till it gets to this region, so you should watch out for that. So this is going to be a downtrend. Okay, and of course for Crash 1000, this is it. Okay, Crash 1000 had been on uptrend, got to this region, had a major pullback till it got to this region and went back up. If you should notice, it has been playing between this particular line, horizontal line, and this particular one. Okay, so it came down, went back up, came down, went back up. Right now it's going back up again, so this is still on uptrend at the moment. Okay, so you guys should take note of that and take advantage of the opportunity right now. Okay, let's check out Crash 500. Crash 500 started a downtrend from here. There are major pullbacks in between, but it's still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, but it has gotten to this support zone. If it's not breaking out from here, then it will go back on uptrend. So this is trying to go back on uptrend right now. Okay, so we should watch out for that, but if it breaks out below that support zone, it will continue with the downtrend. Okay, so we should check out that. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay. Okay guys, this is V75. V75 started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it has been going up since then. So broke out from this resistance zone, and of course still going up at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. But if it's finding difficult to break out from this particular resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend, but you will have to wait for all the necessary signals before you can follow up with it. Okay, but for now this is still very much an uptrend until you are able to get the right signal for a downtrend. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy QDC, that is Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay guys.